Hello, and welcome to Desigo Optic, Batch Point Editor to tag points. Once the device is discovered, we need to discover the points. You need to go down and select the device in the equip tree underneath our connectors. The next thing we want to do is hit Discover Points. We typically choose points to meet the application or equipment type. We are not going to select all the points. Many of these points are different from points that we normally would need or anything like that. Typically, we are going to select the points we want to see. First, let's look at points where we have these libraries within Optic that we can match up. I'm going to do feedback position cooling valve, and let's do for the heat valve, let's do the same thing, heating cool valve position, and then let's do supply temp. And what we can do is either we take these points, drag those points over to the equip. In other systems, we would have to drag them to the bottom. We drag it over to the equipment and place it on the equip. Once we get this warning that we want to add these connectors, we want to hit apply, and what we will get is what we call the batch record editor. By default, it says to get the point records. That will take everything we have put in the system and get those records, but we want to isolate it to just air handling units. What we want to do is come down here. We are going to find air handling units, SI, and then we are going to scroll up to the top, and we are going to choose to turn this off. Once we do that, we minimize that, and now we can look for our valve position, so we see valve position, match it up, and hit match. Now we are going to find our heating position to do the same thing, heat valve position, and then hit match, and now let us find our discharge error temp. We are going to find DA, temp, and we match. What it is going to do is it is going to match these to have tags associated to them. It is going to apply the tags for our points for us by matching it up, and it is going to change the point name to this condensed point name. Now if we choose, we do not want to use that point name, you could turn it off, and it is going to choose the other point name. Also, if you do not want to carry the tags, if these points were tagged from a haystack device, we did not want to use those tags, we could turn those tags off, and if we did not want to sync the histories, we could turn that off to here. We are going to leave all those three yes, and we are going to hit apply. Now if we go to our points, we will see that the points have changed names. They have been tagged and will have tags at the bottom, and then if we look at the valve position, it has got a tag. So everything has been tagged within the configuration of the points. They are now ready to start setup in the system. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in one of our next videos about Desigo Optic.